Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Scout. In this particular playlist, we will discuss about Python. In this video, I will walk you through the installation of Python and Anaconda. Python is an interpreted language. It's an object-oriented, high-level general-purpose programming language. So, Python is a cross-functional platform operating system. Python functions on cross-platform operating system. Python can be used to develop web applications, enterprise level application, machine learning to deep learning applications. So as I said, Python is an interpreted language. So we need to install Python interpreter code in Python. And to do that, let's open our Chrome browser and type Python down. So we are in our Chrome browser. Let's type Python downloads. We'll click enter. So we can see the first URL, which is for python.org. Let's click on this. I have just opened in a new tab. So you can see in this download section for the Windows, we have the latest version, which is 3.9.5, which we can just click on downloads and it will download. So let me just click on download. See, it has started downloading, right? But if you want to download other version of Windows, Linux, Mac, you can go on this link and you will get the different versions, so you can download from there. So see, Python is downloaded. So you can see that Python is downloaded. Now what I will do, I will just double click on this and you can see this window is popped. So it's saying us install this Python to this directory, or we can customize our installation. But what we will do, we will just install this by defaulting. But before installing this, we will see that here there is a checkbox, add Python 3.9 to path. What we will do, we will just click on this, because after clicking this, it will add our Python to our path, home path, so that from anywhere from the Windows, we can able to launch our. Now we will install Python. So we'll click on install now. You can see it started installing. So it's installing all the libraries which is required. You can see here the setup is successful. So we have got this message, right? We can see this message. The setup is successful. So let's try and see if we are able to access the Python or not. So in our search, we will just type Python. Right, let's click on that. So you can see this window has prompt up. So what I will do, let's check if Python is working or not. Let me type 3 plus 4. So I am doing a numerical addition. So after pressing enter, it's 7. Yes, it's working correctly. Now we have installed Python. What we want is to have an edit with which we can write our Python program. So to do that, we will install Anaconda library. So let's type Anaconda. So you can see Anaconda downloads. So when you see this first link itself, individual edition, so let's go and click on this. So if we go down, see the Anaconda for Windows, we can see the Anaconda for Mac and for Linux. So what we are going to install, 64-bit graphical installer, which is the size is 477 MB. Let's click on this. So after clicking, you can see it started downloading. So it's downloading now. So let's wait for it to complete. So we have double clicked on our downloaded setup to start the installation. So let's see. So it's asking us to press next. Let's go next. It's giving us the license agreement for which let's agree, and then it's asking for whom we want to install. So let us keep it default. Okay. After this, it's saying destination folder. So I will just change this to D directory. So I have selected the location where I will install my Anaconda. So I'll just press next. It's asking me to add, just like while installing Python, it was asking us to add it to my path. Even Anaconda is asking me to do that. So I will add this to my path. I'll click on this checkbox. and I'll press install. Generally this installation of Anaconda takes little time, so we'll just wait for that. You can see here it's saying the installation is complete. We'll click on next. We will click on next, so it will try to install a different IDs. So we'll just click on finish. So our installation is finished now. So let's go and search. So let's click here. Let's click Anaconda. You can see this. We can either go through with this prompt or we can use this graphical. So when we clicked on this Anaconda, we can see this kind of page, or you can say this kind of pop. So we will just launch Jupyter. So to start this Jupyter notebook, we will click on this launch. You can see it's started launching that. Right, so you can see now it has started on the local host. So we can see this here. It started in the local host. It started running. So what we will do now, we'll just go and create, for a sample purpose, we'll just go and create one Python 3. In this video, our purpose was just to install the Anaconda and to see it's working. +4, and if I just press shift enter, it's giving. Let me just print. You can see it's printing. Yes, so we have finished our installation of Python and Anaconda in this, and we have seen it's running successfully. Thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will come up with the basic idea how to work in the Jupyter, and we'll start with the basics of Python. So do tune in to Data Scout.